Picture this: you're standing on the edge of a gorgeous canyon in Utah, or making a grand entrance at a massive rooftop party in NYC. Suddenly, you pull your phone out of your pocket, swipe the screen, and boom! A tiny robotic drone slides right out of your phone's chassis, unfurls its wings, and buzzes straight into the air. It hovers around you, capturing Hollywood-style, cinematic 4K shots from above, and streams the live footage directly to your screen. No heavy drone backpack, no extra controllers, zero hassle. And no, I'm not talking about some upcoming Marvel movie. The biggest breakthrough in smartphone history is actually becoming a reality, and Vivo is the one making it happen. Today, we are diving deep into the world's first ever flying drone camera smartphone. But is this thing a legitimate game changer, or just an overpriced gimmick? Is it going to blow up in your pocket? And most importantly, how many kidneys do you need to sell to afford it? Let's find out the whole truth behind this flying piece of tech. The display. First, let's talk about the thing your eyes will be glued to, the display. And trust me, Vivo did not skimp here. We're talking a massive 6.95-inch LTPO OLED screen. But the real magic, a blazing fast 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're wiping out squads in Call of Duty Mobile or endlessly scrolling through TikTok, this screen feels smoother than butter. And oh my god, the brightness. 4500 nits. That means even if you're standing in the middle of Death Valley at high noon under the blistering sun, every single pixel on this screen will be crystal clear. For protection, it's packing an IP69 rating. Dust storm, torrential downpour, this phone won't even flinch. Plus, you get an ultra-fast under-display fingerprint sensor that unlocks the second you touch it. The flying monster. The drone camera. Alright, now let's get to the real reason you clicked on this video, the flying camera. This isn't some clunky modular accessory you have to snap on, it's literally built into the body of the phone. A mini drone slides out, equipped with actual propellers and proximity sensors. And inside this tiny flying gadget, Vivo somehow managed to cram a massive 200-megapixel camera. Controlling it is an absolute breeze, your phone screen pulls double duty as the remote. Whether you're riding a bike, hiking, or chilling at the beach with friends, this drone can automatically track and follow you, nailing shots that will make your followers ask, "Yo, did you hire a personal cameraman?" But wait, what if you just want to snap a quick, normal photo? Do you have to launch the drone every single time? Absolutely not. The back of the phone features a powerhouse triple camera setup, spearheaded by a 108-megapixel primary shooter. So whether you're on the ground or in the air, your photos are going to look strictly pro-level. Raw performance. Now, to fly a literal drone and process 200-megapixel images simultaneously, you need a serious engine under the hood, right? Vivo went ahead and packed this beast with Qualcomm's most insane processor yet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. This isn't just a chip, it's the absolute king of processors. You can run Genshin Impact or Resident Evil on maximum settings for hours, this phone won't lag, and it won't turn into a hot frying pan in your hands. To back all that power up, it runs on the latest Android 17, giving you a super clean, lightning fast, and futuristic software experience right out of the box. Battery life. At this point, you're probably thinking, okay, cool, but flying a drone and running a flagship phone. The battery's gonna die in like 2 hours. Well, brace yourselves. Vivo put a monstrous 9500 mAh battery inside this thing. That is literally double the size of your average smartphone battery. You can shoot reels, fly the drone, and game all day long, and by bedtime, your phone will still be begging you to keep using it. And if you do manage to kill it, it comes with a 125-watt ultra-fast charger in the box. Pop down to the kitchen to make a cup of coffee, and by the time you're back, your phone is sitting at 100%. Price, launch, and the secret feature. Now for the million-dollar question: how much is this futuristic wizardry going to hurt our wallets? According to latest leaks and tech reports, this insane package is expected to launch around $1,800. Now, look, that sounds like a massive chunk of change. But think about it. If you buy a premium flagship phone and a cinematic 4K drone separately, you're easily looking at over $2,500. Here, you get both fused into a single device. As for the release date, tech insiders claim Vivo might drop this globally by the end of this year. Now, time for that secret feature I promised you at the beginning. Vivo is actually equipping this drone with an advanced AI collision avoidance sensor. That means if it's flying and a tree, a wall, or a person suddenly gets in the way, it won't crash. It will automatically dodge the obstacle and reroute itself. So yeah, no need to worry about your $1,800 phone smashing into a brick wall. So, what do you guys think? Are you ready to drop $1,800 on a phone that literally flies? Is this the next big revolution in tech, or is it just an expensive toy? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.